Hello everyone, how to do it's back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you an app. It's called Amazon Shopping. So you can download this app from Google Play Store and App Store. In both store this app is available. So here you can see the rating of the app 4.1 out of 5. So when you get any app, the app is more than 4, so you consider that the app is really amazing. And 3 million reviews, it means 3 million people write something about this app. We'll see it later. And 67 megabyte size of the app, and here you can see 500 million plus people already download this app or use this app. So one top grossing in shopping. This is online marketplace. So what you need to do to get this app, so simply tap on the install button. So it takes few time to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching the video.